shadow of myself tucked under the bed. But they wanted a chalked out line instead. So now I'm levels past my best. I know that the code that I cracked, just drop in the bucket. Got the strings off the puppet. Want a serpent, I slay it. Keep the flame when I cut it. Got the power I covet. Through the tables I love it. Had to reach each peak to see it. All I know is uphill battles. I travel